confirms that it has lodged papers on an urgent basis directly to the Constitutional Court to appeal the orders of the CONCOURT relating to the NK matter regarding the erstwhile president's candidature. The basis of the appeal is to obtain clarity on the correct legal interpretation of Section 147(1)(e) of the Constitution, so that there is absolute clarity for all role players and that there is legal certainty, so that the Commission is placed in a position for purposes of this election, but as well as for the future, to ensure that we apply that provision of the Constitution evenly across all role players. And we wish to take the moment to emphasize that by taking this decision, the Commission is not intending to enter into the political playing field, rather to obtain clarity from the highest court in the land, which court has constitutional matter jurisdiction, so that the matter cannot be appealed further. So it's in the interest of certainty that we are approaching the Electoral Court directly. And it is our hope that the matter will be settled and determined before we go to the election in the interest of free and fair elections.